Good morning, my little ones. All ready for a new session? Do you remember what we talked about yesterday? We talked about a living thing that has 4 legs, can walk, jump, eat, sleep, play, but cannot talk. Whom am I talking about? Yes, animals. So today we shall revise the names and spellings of the same animals you learned yesterday and then write them in the notebook.
Welcome to the animal kingdom. The first picture is a lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Our next picture is a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The tiger is our national animal. The next animal we have is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal on earth. This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. A dog is a faithful animal and guards our home. Our next picture is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A sheep gives us wool. Our last picture is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse is a beautiful animal with a long tail.
Now, we will once again write the names of the animals that you learned yesterday in the notebook.
Children, please open your 4-line notebook. We will begin with writing the date on the left-hand corner of the margin. 2/9/29 -10/10 -2020.
Now, leave 3 finger space and write the title Animals. Down, down across capital A, down, up, curve and down N, down and a dot I, down, up, curve and down M, curve around, up and down A, down L, curve and reverse curve S. Animals. Now draw 2 lines. The first line the second line. On the left hand side of the margin, you have to write numbers 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue line to blue line. Below number 5, put a cross in the margin. Now, put a cross in the next 3 columns. Now, below the cross in the margin, start writing numbers 1 to 5 once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, let's begin. To the right of the margin, where number 1 is written, please write lion. Close to the margin, red line to blue line. Down and out, capital L. Down with a dot, blue line to blue line, I. You make a circle, blue line to blue line, O. Down, up, curve and down, blue line to blue line, N. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. On the same line, in the next column, write tiger. You start from the red line across and you come down to the blue line, capital T. Down and a dot, blue line to blue line, I. Curve around, up, down and curve to the red line, G. Blue line to blue line, E. Down, up and curve, blue line to blue line, R. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The tiger is our national animal. And in the last column, you write elephant. Start from the red line, you come down to the blue line. The red line across, across and across, capital E. Red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Blue line to blue line, E. From the blue line, you come down to the red line, you go up and you curve, blue line to blue line, P. From the red line, you come down, you go up, curve and down, H. Curve around, up and down, A. Down, go up, curve and come down, blue line to blue line, N. Little below the red line, you come down, you curve, across, T. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal on earth. Now, the fourth animal will be written next to number 1 in the lower half of the page. Please write dog. From the red line, you come down to the blue line and you make a curve, capital D. Blue line to blue line, make a circle O, curve around, up and down to the red line, G. D-O-G, dog. A dog is a faithful animal and guards our home. In the same line, in the next column, write sheep. From the red line, you make a curve to the blue line, a reverse curve, capital S. From the red line, you come down, you go up and come down, H. E, E, blue line to blue line. From the blue line, you come down, you go up and curve, P, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A sheep gives us wool. And in the last column, write horse. From the red line, you come down to the blue line. red line to the blue line, across, capital H, blue line to blue line O, down you go up and curve R, curve and reverse curve S, E, blue line to blue line, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse is a beautiful animal with a long tail. So let's revise the animals once again. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. D-O-G, dog. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Children, each animal's name has to be written 4 times.
Now children, get ready to listen to a story about a foolish lion.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion in the jungle who was very, very greedy. Lions are known as kings of the jungle. So this lion said he was the king of the jungle. Every day he would go hunting to catch animals and eat them. All the animals in that jungle were scared and they lived in fear. One fine day, all the animals except for the lion got together and decided to have a meeting. They said, "We cannot live this way in fear of being killed by the lion." So one of the animals said, "Why don't we talk to the lion and tell the lion that instead of coming out every day and hunting, one of us will go to his den and he could eat that animal." The other animals agreed. So one of the animals took courage and went to the lion's den and told the lion he had a good idea. "Lion, we know you are the king of the jungle and you hunt and kill an animal every day. So instead of you having to take the trouble to go out and hunt and kill, one of us will come to your den every day and you can eat that animal up." The lion thought over it and agreed. And from that day, every day, one animal would go to the lion's den and get killed and eaten. Now it was the rabbit's turn to go to the lion's den. Just like the other animals, the rabbit too was very scared. As he was walking, he passed a well and looked into it. What do you think the rabbit saw? He saw his own reflection. And yes, he got an idea at that moment. He walked fast to the lion's den and told the lion, "Lion, King, your majesty, before you kill me, I have something to tell you." But as the rabbit reached the lion's den late, the lion was angry and said that "You are such a small animal, so I'm not going to be satisfied eating only you." The rabbit said, "Your majesty, with me there were 3-4 other rabbits too. But as we were approaching your den, there was another lion who jumped out of a well and caught those rabbits and ate them up. Luckily, I managed to escape and reach you. It will be nice if you see that lion first and then kill me." The lion said, "Okay, show me where the other lion is." The rabbit took this lion to the well and told him the other lion is hiding inside the well. Have a look at the lion in the well. Just as the lion looked in the well, he saw his own reflection. He thought it was the other lion. He was very angry and said, "Wait, I will teach you a lesson." And without wasting any time, he jumped into the well. And guess what? He drowned. The rabbit jumped with joy and went straight to all the other animals to tell them the good news. On hearing this, the animals celebrated the lion's death and clapped for the clever rabbit and danced around the rabbit. From that day, all the animals in the jungle lived happily and peacefully. The animals were so proud of a small rabbit being able to kill a big lion. The moral of the story is, intelligence wins over might. Never give up. You can be creative in your thinking and achieve big things.
Children, do learn and revise the names and spellings of all the animals that you have learned. Bye and be good.